Welcome to New Careers Academy, your trusted source for daily current affairs and defense exam preparation since
What
1967.
if your phone got stolen but the thief couldn't use it, sell it, or even connect it to mobile network? What if you could instantly report a scam SMS or check if someone secretly took out a SIM card using your Aadhaar ID? This isn't futuristic, it's happening right now. The Indian government has launched a powerful mobile safety app called Sanchar Saathi. It is about to become mandatory on all smartphones. In a major step announced in 2025, every new phone sold in India must come pre-installed with the Sanchar Saathi app. And users won't be able to uninstall it. Even existing phones will get it via a software update pushed by the manufacturer. The reason is simple. Telecom scams are rising fast, from fake police calls to WhatsApp impersonation and phishing links. Criminals are exploiting mobile networks to steal money, data, and identity. But Sanchar Saathi is India's digital shield. In this video, we will cover what the Sanchar Saathi app is, how it works, all of its key features explained simply, why the government made it non-reviewable on all phones. If you use a smartphone in India, this app is now a part of your life. So don't just scroll past it, understand it, and use it to your advantage. Let's explore India's new mobile safety tool, Sanchar Saathi. The Sanchar Saathi app is cybersecurity and anti-fraud initiative by the Department of Telecommunication, which I'm going to call DOT. It is built to empower Indian citizens against mobile scams, fraud, and theft. It is available as a mobile app for Android and iOS, and also a web portal at sancharsaathi.gov.in. Even though installing it is technically optional, the government now mandates that all smartphones come preloaded with it and that users can't uninstall it. The goal: make telecom safety access to everyone from students to senior citizens. Why was it created? Well, if you look, because in India, you are seeing a surge of cybercrime, especially linked to mobile phones. There are SMS scams pretending to be from your banks or electricity boards, fake KYC messages tricking users into giving personal data, WhatsApp and Telegram frauds involving impersonation and fake job offers, unsolicited telemarketing calls that invade privacy. Sanchar Saathi is built as one-stop dashboard to tackle all these issues. The app is designed to allow users to block stolen phones using their IMEI number, report scams or phishing messages instantly, identify all SIM cards issued in your name, report spam calls or commercial SMS, strengthen awareness around mobile safety. Its core principle is to put control back in the hands of the users, letting you track what's happening with your identity, your mobile number, and your phone number. Think of Sanchar Saathi as a personal telecom watchdog on your phone 24/7. Well, here's a breakdown of the major tools inside the Sanchar Saathi app and why each one of them matters. First is Chakshu, report suspicious message and calls. Chakshu is one of the most powerful features. It lets users report fake calls pretending to be from the TRAI, DOT, or even government offices. Messages which are threatening mobile disconnection due to incomplete KYCs. Phishing links sent via SMS or apps like WhatsApp or Telegram. APK files sent as recharge offers or free gifts. Fake trading or job recruitment messages. Fraudulent electricity, gas payment alerts. Well, how does this work? You can copy the message, paste it in the Chakshu feature, and report it. The data goes directly to the telecom department for tracking large-scale fraud. This empowers users to become a part of the fight against spam and cybercrime. Secondly, comes the spam reporting. If you have ever been annoyed by constant telemarketing calls or unsolicited credit card messages, Sanchar Saathi has a solution for you. Under the TARI regulation, you can report spam calls with just one tap. Flag promotional SMS you didn't consent to receive. Telecom providers are required to take action and repeat offenders may be penalized. It also helps you to block and trace your stolen phones. Well, every mobile has a unique, remember, 15-digit IMEI number. If your phone is stolen, Sanchar Saathi lets you first block it instantly using the IMEI number, prevent it from accessing any Indian network, and trigger trace alerts if someone inserts a new SIM card. This makes stolen phones practically useless, discouraging resale in the black market. Once your phone is recovered, you can unblock it using the same portal. The last thing is checking your mobile numbers that are issued in your name. Do you know someone could use your Aadhaar to get a SIM card, and you've seen that in the series Jamtara where people have used it? Sanchar Saathi will let you see all the numbers linked to your ID. Identify suspicious of fake mobile connections, request deactivation or of unauthorized SIMs. This is especially useful for senior citizens, women, and anyone who's been targeting of digital identity theft. Well, the scams are evolving, and Sanchar Saathi is India's defense system. By pre-installing it on every phone, the government ensures everyone has tools to fight fraud, even if they don't know where to begin. So open the app, explore its features, and take back the control of your mobile identity. Like, share, and subscribe for more such tech safety tips. And this is your friend here, Hartaj, signing off and wishing you all the best.